Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add upload button on Wix. So let's go to Wix editor page first. Then you have to click on this plus icon, add element. Now you'll find here this button option. Click on button and choose upload buttons. And you have to choose here any button you want. Click on this. I'm choosing the first one, choosing file. After that, you have to click on this connect to CMS. Then you have to click on add a dataset. Now you have to click on this drop down menu and choose any dataset you want. That's up to you. Now you can name the dataset you want. I'm clicking on create. Now you have to click on this settings icon and you'll find here supported file type, in which file type you want to add in this upload file. I'm choosing image. You can choose video, document, audio, or image. I'm choosing the image one. Max number of files, how many file can upload in this website. 1 2, you can slide and it will increase. Okay, now you have to write here the field title and then you can write here the button text. The button text is upload button. You can see here the text has changed, so you can click on text below button, show on file info only, show custom text. You can choose the first one and you can cross this one. So you can see that a button has been created. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.